I made a post the other day about the different cosmic classrooms, and I've gone over each one of them in a little bit more detail. But I got a lot of questions on that post and things people wanted some clarification on. So, three of the questions that I received are one, somebody wanted to know, what if I don't know the classroom I'm in? And that doesn't make any difference. Knowing the classroom just makes it easier for you to understand the lessons that you're supposed to be learning from the experiences that you're having. So, knowing that you are in the classroom of betrayal, and that's why people keep betraying you, isn't important that you understand that it's betrayal. But knowing that you're in that classroom does make it easier to understand, well, this person actually did this so that I could learn this lesson of betrayal, so that I can learn self empowerment or tolerance or patience or forgiveness, whatever it is. So that helps. Another question I had was, what if I don't learn the lesson? What happens then? Well, the good news is we have multitudes of lifetimes that we get to learn lessons. So even if you don't learn it this time fully, then maybe you'll learn it in the next one. I've had clients who have had past lives where they've been learning the same lesson over and over again because they're just not getting it. So that is something too. But you'll just get another class or another time to learn that. Then the third one was, can I change my classroom? Not really, no. But I understand what they mean. Like, does this have to keep happening? It doesn't. The good news is once you start realizing that you're in a class, let's say rejection, and you realize, okay, this person rejected me not because of me, but because I'm supposed to be learning something from that, you don't have to keep repeating the patterns over and over. So that is helpful, and it's kind of like you get to change then. You get to elevate to the next class. The other part of that is there are different levels of the class that you're taking. Kind of like in real life, how we have math, and you learn when you're in grade school, 2 plus 2. You don't keep that same level throughout your entire life. No, there's people who have gone on to trigonometry and other math references that I do not know. So, but there are people who, learn the base level and that's all they ever learn. And then there's people who go on to elevated levels. So that's food for thought. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Drop me a DM or put something in the comments. Have a great day.